In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change brightness, contrast, and saturation in Canva. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently adjust your images and make them look more professional and eye-catching. You don't need any design background for this, you just need a Canva account and an image on your design. First, open your design in Canva and locate the photo you want to edit on your canvas. Move your mouse over the image and click on it once. You'll know it's selected when you see a border appear around the photo, usually with little handles at the corners and sides. This tells Canva that this is the element you want to work on. Once your photo is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar that appears. Here, you'll see several options related specifically to the image. Find the option labeled Edit and click on it. This will open up a side panel or menu depending on your screen size, with different editing tools you can use on that image. In this editing panel, look for the section called Adjust. Go ahead and click on Adjust. This is where Canva keeps all the basic image controls, including brightness, contrast, and saturation. After you click it, you'll see sliders for each of these settings. Now, follow the on-screen prompts and start experimenting with the sliders. To change the brightness, drag the brightness slider to the right to make the image lighter, or to the left to make it darker. Brightness is helpful if your photo looks too dim or overexposed. Next, use the contrast slider to control the difference between the light and dark areas of your photo. Increasing contrast can make your image look sharper and more defined, while lowering it can create a softer, flatter look. Adjust it slowly so you don't lose important details. Then, adjust the saturation. Dragging the saturation slider to the right will make the colors more vivid and intense, while dragging it to the left will mute the colors and can even create a more faded or almost black and white effect. This is great if you want a bold, colorful design or a more subtle, minimalist style. Take your time and make small changes, checking how the photo looks in the context of your overall design. When you're happy with the result, simply click away from the panel and your adjustments will be saved in your design automatically.